heart makes natural sounds with you, my love. The happy sound of water on stone, the quiet sound of waves on sand, when you hold my hand. My heart makes natural sounds with you. My head makes natural noises too, my love. The whirring sound of bees in a comb, the rushing sound of wind in the trees when we kiss. And more than this I know, my heart would make natural sounds if ever you should go. The hollow sound of stones dropped in a well, the lonely sound of rain in the night. Natural sounds. My heart makes natural sounds with